There's my husband Gino, my mom, and my little sister Liana. Welcome to Dazzle TV. Petrol is okay, babe. 71, 72. For diesel is 82 pesos. I've seen 85 for diesel, 75 for the unleaded.
It's
Good
supposed
job,
to
Petron.
it's supposed to go up some again this week though.
Oh,
Like another
yeah.
10 pesos per liter.
Per liter. So when we go to Kalibo, like today, guys, we make sure that we do a lot in one trip.
Yeah.
Like the three of us girls are going to Ukay again, and Gino's gonna have a haircut. 2 in 1.
2 in 1.
Good weather again today. I
It's
can feel that
awesome.
it's really summer, babe.
Yeah,
It's sunny.
Yeah, it's already summer.
Mm-mm. Another gas station. We are now in Pastrana, babe, right?
Yep.
Pastrana Plaza. I'm not familiar with the roads in Kalibo. Gino is. That's our Ukay right there. It used to be Ibingo before. Now
Bingo, now it's okay.
it's Ukay.
Okay, I'll drop you off right here in front of your Ukay store.
Yes.
Got a lot of Ukay.
Wow. This is the Ukay here. And there's Mama. There's Liana. Where's your Ukay home?
Yes.
Right there.
It's only for 340 pesos.
Wow. How many dresses?
I think 3
3 dresses.
and
Nice.
1 top.
Wow. Good job, Liana.
Thank you, Tita Marie and Tito Horace.
We're just gonna walk to the other thrift store. There's another thrift store there. But we're going to this one where the shoes and the sandals are.
Umiiyak akong ginawa yun. Tapos dumating ang hardinero at driver. Nang manikarga siya ay agad din ako sumakay. Pumasok din si Mamang at minadali ko na ang driver. Umandar naman agad ang sasakyan.
There's Liana. That is, wow, that looks good on you, Yang.
Gabriel. alam
That
mo
looks
namang
good
tao
on you.
kung ano ka. Maraming
What's that?
nakakita sa'yo, diba?
First option? That's your first option so far?
Importante lang naman.
Okay.
Nakita nilang hindi ako gumawa.
Kasi naman,
Liana's gonna try
na aswang sa lugar namin.
the other
Si
pair.
Papa noon ang bilis din ng recovery. At ang sigla na niya pagsapit ng umaga. Bakit ang hirap na kumain?
It's not
Gusto
comfortable.
lang ko pala yung pakiramdam niyo.
Yeah.
Eh, mabilis na gilang yung mga sulat
Too
ko.
small.
Tsaka, may-
Liana likes this shoe. According to her, it's her dream shoe. And and it's only for 190 pesos. I hope it will fit her. Since she really likes it. Wow. Does it fit? Awesome. I mean, you like it. That's what's important. You like it. And it fits. What do you think?
Do you like it?
No, do you like it? Okay, you can get it. Diana bought the red shoes. She really likes it. Now we're gonna find a sandal for her.
Layo na doon. Malapit ba?
I hope she'll find her sandals here. Are you having fun? So far, I am Liana's assistant. I'm all holding all her stuff. I work for Liana today. This is her second option. You like it? Does it fit? This one's Liana's third option. Wow. That's your third option?
Oh yeah.
What do you think? You think?
I think I'm getting this one because the other is not comfortable. But I like this one. It's comfortable.
That's more comfortable? Okay. That's important though. When you're picking up shoes or sandals, what's important is if you're comfortable. Yeah. Alright. I think she's a happy kiddo. You like it? Mission successful for today. Liana got her new sandals and dresses. So thank you so much, Hola San Marie, for Liana's gift. I like the buko there, buko juice. It's fresh buko. They just put ice, but it's all fresh buko juice. We're on the way to the tricycle terminal going to Numancia. Yeah, the terminal is under the bridge. Gino and I also filmed earlier in Calibo. I will also include it on this video. Now I am ready to pick up Liana from school. I'm gonna be riding Bumblebee. I am actually wearing a hoodie on this sunny day because I don't wanna get burned. It's sunny. There's Bumblebee, my ride. I can see Liana. There she is. There's my almost 13-year-old little sister. Almost a teenager. How's your day?
Hello.
How's your day?
Nice and tiring.
So tiring? What did you do in school?
Play catch the ball.
You just played catch the ball. You're done with the exams, right? The final exams. So you guys are just preparing for a program, right? You have
We're already done with the role play.
You're already done with the role playing?
Yeah.
Wow. So what is your role?
As a narrator.
Ah, you're the narrator. Wow. Good job. So you're done?
Yeah.
So
Are we going to 7-Eleven?
yes, we talked about that last night, right? We're going to 7-Eleven. Let's go.
Bye bye.
There's Liana. You're gonna buy Vita Boss. Vita Boost. No soft drinks. And then what else? No soft drinks. No. No. What do you call that?
Monster.
Monster. No Monster.
Okay.
I think yung Kuya Gino bought another tub of ice cream.
Uy, ice cream.
Yeah. I don't know what flavor though. But I saw him earlier. We went to grocery. We went to SM Cherry and I saw him. And then I saw him bought the tub of ice cream. I think I am a soft ate. Soft-hearted ate. Because I told her no soft drinks. But I think she got one soft drink right there. Is it Royal?
Yeah. I think it's a different flavor.
I've never
Strawberry.
had that. Yeah, strawberry.
flavor.
So I am a soft sister. When it comes to Liana.
Sometimes.
Just sometimes. That's good though. I think that's good. What do you think? No. The new price of the gasoline here in Kalibo, Aklan, it's 82, 83, and I can see the bottom, babe.
82 pesos per liter. That's about $6 per liter for gasoline here in Kalibo, Aklan at the Shell gas station.
Yes. That's more specific, babe. Look at the traffic, babe.
Yeah,
Because we're in the
traffic.
stoplight.
We're in the stoplight here. One of the three stoplights here in Kalibo. This is one of them.
Yeah. And this place before used to be Chowking. Now it's Watson's.
Oh yeah, I didn't forget about that. How they
Yeah.
changed it. Used to be Chowking Chinese fast food. Now it's
Yeah.
Watson's, kind of like a CVS or a Walgreens.
Oh, another gas station, babe.
Another gas
Caltex.
station. Caltex.
88.88 for kerosene. Whoa.
I'm not getting. Oh, diesel's 100. 101 for diesel
What?
per liter. On
I
the
didn't
diesel.
see that.
Yeah, diesel's more expensive. Than,
Diesel is more expensive.
diesel.
Anything diesel is expensive. Jollibee. We barely eat at that branch of Jollibee, babe.
Yeah, rarely do we eat at that Jollibee. We always eat at the one in Pastrana.
Yeah.
There's the 24/7 Mang Inasal, open 24/7.
Oh yeah. Good for Mang Inasal and good for the people living in Kalibo.
I know. They need more 24/7 fast
Mhm.
food places here. This is Mabini Street. in Calibo
Yeah, and that's the
by the provincial hospital here on the left.
provincial hospital.
Lots of pharmacy, like local pharmacies here on the right.
Yeah, like this Super K drug.
Super K drug. There's a laboratory right there, right across the provincial hospital.
We're going to
SM Cherry.
SM Cherry.
SM Cherry today. We're gonna go grocery shopping at SM Cherry. Oh, look at that guy, the Shopao. The Shopao vendor on the tricycle.
Yeah.
Shopao is the steam buns.
Usually it's like 10 to 15 pesos.
Yeah, 10 to 15 pesos each on the steam buns. About a quarter for steam buns here. 25 US cents.
This is like the mafias of like tricycle mafias.
Yeah.
Anywhere I go in Calibo, I see tricycle.
Yeah, tricycle rules here in
Yeah.
Calibo. Lots of tricycles.
Now we have to find parking.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
We'll see you on our next video.